Welcome to this program. Now we are going to discuss about the answer key for the online test 2 unit 2 test examination. Question 1. Consider the sigma bonding only in the MO diagram of a metal complex with diagonal bipyramidal geometry. The d orbital which remain non-bonding are A. dz square and dxy xz, B. dxz and dyz, C. dx square minus y square and dxy, and dz square and dyz. Here the correct answer is B. dxz and dyz. The explanation is the two ligands are present on the z-axis. Therefore, dz square orbital involved in the sigma bonding. The three ligands are present in xy plane. So, dxy and dx square minus y square involved in the sigma bonding. Therefore, dxz and dyz orbitals remain non-bonding. Question number 2. Nickel tetracyanide NiCN 4 times of 2 minus and NiCl4 of 2 minus complex ions are. The correct option is C. Diamagnetic and paramagnetic respectively. Here we are going to think about the nature of the ligand. The Cn minus ion is a strong ligand. Therefore, it forms inner orbital complexes. And Cl is a weak ligand and it forms a outer orbital complexes. Inner orbital complexes are generally diamagnetic and outer orbital complexes are generally paramagnetic. Therefore, the correct option is C. NiCN4 2 minus dsp2 hybridization. There is no unpaired electron and it is also inner orbital complexes. The complex is diamagnetic. NiCl4 2 minus, it is sp3 hybridization with no unpaired electron and it is an outer orbital complexes. Therefore, it is paramagnetic. The correct option is C. Diamagnetic and paramagnetic respectively. Question number 3. Among SF4, BF4 minus, XEF4 and ICL4 minus, the number of species of have two lone pair of electron on the central atom according to VS pair theory. And here we can easily find out, listen here, XEF4 and ICL4 minus ion have two lone pair of electron on the central atom. Therefore, the correct option is A. XEF4 and ICL4 minus is the correct answer. 4. In the molecule of H2O NH3CH4, option A, the bond angles are same. B, the bond distance are same. C, the hybridizations are same. D, the shape are same. Here, the correct option is C. That is, the hybridizations are same. H2O, NH3 and CH4 have sp3 hybridization. If you consider the bond angle for H2 104 5 degree, for ammonia 107 and methane 109 5 degree. The shape, water is angular shape, ammonia is pyramidal shape, methane is tetrahedral shape, and bond length OH less than NH less than CH. Therefore, H2O, NH3 and CO4 have the same hybridization. Therefore, the option C is. And 5. The term symbol of the molecule with the following electronic configuration. The electronic configuration is given. Using this, we are going to find out the term symbol. The correct answer is B here. Here, first you have to calculate 2s plus 1 value. Here is 3. If you look the option, A and C are incorrect because 2s plus value is 1. Therefore, the answer may be B or the answer may be D. Then the orbitals sigma pi u1, sigma pi u star 1 have u and u. You multiply u and u, that will be equal to G, Gerard orbital, and minus 1 into plus 1, this will be equal to 1. Therefore, the correct symbol is summation of G minus 3. That is, the correct option is B here. It is a simple way we can neglect the two options A and C. The correct option is B. The question number 6. The molecule with the highest number of lone pairs and has a linear shape based on VSEPR theory. Here, instead of the four option, the linear molecule, first you consider the linear molecule is A and B. But the option C and D are neglected. And you have to calculate the number of lone pair. If you consider CO2, the shape is linear and the number of lone pair is 4. And similarly, I3 minus, in each orbital, the outermost orbital, iodine consists of 7 unpaired electrons, that is 3 lone pair. 3 into 3, that is 9 lone pair of electron in B, I3 minus. C, NO2 minus, angular 6. D, NO2 plus, linear 4. Therefore, here the highest lone pair of electron present in the option B, I3 minus, it consists of 9 lone pair of electron. Therefore, the correct option is B, I3 minus. Each oxygen atom contains 2 lone pair of electron and each nitrogen atom contains 3 lone pair of electron. This is the answer for this question. 7. The highest occupied MO molecular orbital in N2 and O2 plus respectively are. Here for N2, the total number of electron 7 plus 7, 14. For oxygen, O2 plus 16 and O2 plus is 15. Our total number of electron in N2 is 14 and total number of O2 plus is 15. You look the electronic arrangement of N2, we find sigma 2 pz orbital is the highest molecular orbital. Here the option A is correct. And for O2 plus, the highest molecular orbital is pi star 1 2py. Therefore, for this question, option A is correct. 8. The geometry of Pr3 plus and I5 plus respective are trigonal, tetragonal, B tetrahedral, trigonal, bipyramidal, C tetrahedral and tetrahedral, D linear and trigonal pyramidal. Here you have to consider Br3 plus as Br2 plus, the total number of electron 7 plus 2 minus 1 by 2, that is 4, sp3 hybridization. And for tetrahedral structure, therefore sp3 hybridization structure is tetrahedral. For I plus, I divided by I, that is I single bond I plus single bond I, here the hybridization I5 plus, the hybridization is sp3 dehybridization, trigonal bipyramidal structure. Therefore, the option B is the correct answer. Tetrahedral and trigonal bipyramidal is the correct answer for question number 9. The first excited state of hydrogen molecule is, we have already discussed, the H2 excited state is sigma 1g1 and sigma star 1gu. Therefore, L equal to 0, then the symbol is sigma. And S is equal to 2s plus 1, that is half plus half equal to 1, 3. Therefore, if 2s plus 1 equal to 3, you can neglect option A and option B. Now you have to consider option C and option D. Here the G into U, the ground state is derived and excited state is underived. G into U equal to U, and the correct option is here D is the correct option. Summation of U3 plus is the correct answer. 10. Consider the compounds BF3, SPF5, PH3, SPH3, the strongest acid and strongest base among the following is. Here the correct answer is B, SP5 and PH3. It depends upon the electron affinity as well as the donating tendency, donating tendency. Therefore, SPF3 is a strong acid and PH3 is a strong base. Question number 11. The strongest reduction potential in acid F2 and Cl2, Na and ZNA are in the order. Now you consider the correct option is B. F2 greater than Cl2 greater than Zn greater than Na. The option C, option B is the correct answer. The standard electrode potential for fluorine F2 is very high is compared with the standard electrode potential for sodium. And here the question number 12, the oxidation state of sulfur in the diethionous and thionic acids are respectively. If you know the formula, then you can easily calculate the oxidation state. For the diethionous acid H2S2O4, dithionic acid H2S2O6. In the first case, thionous acids for sulfur, the oxidation state is +3. And in the case of dithionic acid, the oxidation state is +5. Therefore, the correct answer for this question is 3 +3, +5. Question number 13. The correct order of the lattice energy of the following ionic compound. Here the correct answer is A. Al2O3 greater than CaO greater than MgBr2 greater than NaCl. And here you have to consider the lattice energy depends upon smaller size of the ions and greater the charge of the density. The greater charge of the cation increases, the ionic lattice energy is also increases. According to that, the option A is the correct answer. Question number 14. Among LaCl, BeCl2, BCl3 and CCl4, the covalent bond increases as. Here the correct option is C. Lithium chloride less than BeCl2 less than BCl3 less than CCl4. The covalent character of the cation is more for which the trans density, the charge density is high and smaller size and high density. Therefore, the option C is the correct answer. 15. The correct order of the bond angle is. Here the option A is the correct answer. NH3 greater than H2O greater than BF3 greater than H2S. The bond angle depends upon the electronegativity of the central ion and the number of lone pair of electron. For ammonia, the bond angle is 107, there is only one lone pair of electron. H2O, the bond angle is 104.5 degree and 2 lone pair of electron. For PF3, the bond angle is 92.2 and for H2, the 2 lone pair of electron. Therefore, the order of bond angle, the correct order of the bond angle is option A. Ammonia is greater than water, greater than BF3, greater than H2S. The pair of species having identical shape of molecule of both species. Here, if just looking the option, we can easily say the option B, He2 is linear and CO2 is linear. They are identical shape. Therefore, option B is correct. XeF2 and CO2 are linear. CF4 tetrahedral, SF4 C-sharp, BF3 triangular planar, PCl3 pyramidal, BF3 trigonal bipyramidal, IF4 square pyramidal. Therefore, for this question, B is the. Choose the correct statement from the following recording by Johnson. Number 1. The cations with smaller size having high polarizing power. 2. The anion with long size have high polarizability. Then the effective polarization, there should be a high charge on the cation and low charge on the anion. And 4. The cation with the pseudo inert configuration T10 N plus 1 S2 or with the inert pair configuration NS2 P6 D10 have a high polarizing pair. The cation with noble cases configuration NS2P6 have a low polarizing effect. Here the correct answer is A. Option 1, option 2 and option 4 are correct. The option 3 is wrong. Therefore, the correct answer for option 3, the effective polarization, there should be a high charge on the cation or a high charge on the anion. This is the correct answer. Question number 18. The electronegativity difference between the two atoms XA, XB is 3. The percentage of ionic character of the covalent bond is. Here you have to use, that is called Kenny-Smith equation. The percentage of ionic character is equal to 16 into XA minus XB plus 3.5 into XA minus XB the whole square. Here XA minus XB equal to 3. You substitute is, the percentage of ionic character is 89. Therefore, the correct option is D, 89%. Question number 19. The internuclear distance of HCl is 130 pm and actual dipole moment is 3.04 into 10 to the power minus 3 coulomb meter. What is the percentage of ionic character? Here, the percentage of ionic character simple formula is mu observed by mu theoretical. And here we have to calculate the dipole moment, the mu theoretical. The mu theoretical will be equal to the formula x into E. X is the internuclear distance, E is the electronic charge. You substitute mu equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 and 130 into 10 to the power minus 12. We are converted into meter. Therefore, it is comes around 2.08 into 10 to the power minus 12 cm coulomb meter. You calculate the percentage of ionic character, mu observed by mu theoretical. The mu observed is given 3.04 into 10 to the power minus 30 and we have calculated mu theoretically 2.08 into 10 to the power minus 29 into 100, that we use 15%. Therefore, option B is the correct answer.